Everyone. This is a BSc second year semester third unit number two, Amphibia. In that you did point number 2.4. Now we discuss the circulatory system of Amphibia. Human heart, you know, four chamber. Fish heart, you know, two chamber. But in case of the Amphibia, they are also three chamber heart. Two auricle, one ventricle. Right auricle, left auricle, and ventricle. Okay. Sinus venous joined to right atrium, ventricle open to the conus arterios. Okay. We will now discuss in detail the heart of frog or amphibians. Okay. The circulatory system and adaptation to the greater oxygen need of land animal. Every land animal is a more efficient circulatory system than the fish two chamber heart. Fish, and the fish, the two chamber heart. The amphibians three chambers heart partially mix oxygenate with deoxygenated blood and pump the blood throughout the we can say that body at higher pressure than does not the fish heart. The left atrium, or we can say that left auricles. This is the left, this is the right, this is the ventricles. Okay, the left atricle receive oxygenated blood from the lung, and the right auricle receive deoxygenated blood from the body. म्हणजे this is a here right auricle, sorry, here right, left auricle काय करते, ऑक्सिजनेटेड ब्लड कुठून, फ्रॉम लंग पासून, आणि राईट ऑरिकल डिऑक्सिजनेटेड ब्लड फ्रॉम बॉडी पासून. हा, थ्रू आउट बॉडी जी एमपीबी फ्रॉगची. बोथ दी ऑरिक्युलर एम्प्टी इंटू दी व्हेंट्रिकल्स. इथं बघा, हे यारून दाखवलं कुठं, व्हेंट्रिकल चेंबर मध्ये एम्प्टी राहिले. दे मेन पंप चेंबर ऑफ दी हार्ट. दिस इज दी मेन पंप चेंबर ऑफ दी हार्ट ऑफ frog. Okay, in the ventricle इथं आता oxygenated and deoxygenated blood mix partially and are pumped to the lung and the rest of the body. इथून पंप होते आणि इथून rest of the body मध्ये जाते. Okay, goes through. This is a heart, this is a left auricle, this is a right auricle, this is the ventricles. Okay. From the right auricle, the blood enter the single ventricle. The ventricle then contract and pump the some blood to the lung to receive oxygen, and some of the rest of the body. The blood going to the body leave the ventricle through the conus arteriosus, a large vessel that lie against the front side of the heart. Is sinus venous, a right atrium, ventricle, then conus arterios, and then body, then lung, then repeat left auricle. This flow chart show that the circulation of in frog. These vessels divide into a right and left trunk arterioles, which immediately branch again into three arches that carry blood to various part of the body. Okay, various part of the body पूर्ण डिएफिनेट ब्लड तिथं कॅरी केलं जाते. ओके. डिओक्सिजेटेड ब्लड ट्रॅव्हल इन अ व्हेन बॅक टू द राईट, म्हणजे ते ट्रॅव्हल होते व्हेन आणि बॅक टू द राईट auricular from the various region of the body. Oxygenated blood return from the lung ला जाते ते return to the left atrium via the pulmonary vein जसं आहे. Okay. Then this is all about the circulation system, or you can say that the structure of heart in frog. Then what is the exactly mechanism? The heart is also muscular organ. Heart is also muscular organ. Uh, we can say that. Okay, and which constantly beat during the life under nervous control to pump blood into the circulatory system. Contraction of heart is called systole. Okay, while the relaxation of systole is called diastole. We already discussed, we already see in 12th science working of heart at that time. Systole, what is systole, what is diastole. Systole means contraction of, loved up, there is contraction of, that is systole. Diastole means relaxation of heart. Different chamber of the heart contract in regularly sequence and the wall present, and it prevent the backflow of blood. When sinus venous contract, it's non-oxygenated. We can say that deoxygenated blood is forced into the right auricle, forced into the right auricle, forced into the right auricle from the lung is poured into the left auricle. लंग मधून कुठे येणार, लेफ्ट ऑरिकल मध्ये, थ्रू अ कॉमन पल्मोनरी व्हेन. इथे कॉमन काय, पल्मोनरी व्हेन, थ्रू अ कॉमन पल्मोनरी व्हेन the two auricle now contract almost simultaneously, forcing their blood into the ventricle, and through a single auriculoventricular septum, with a single auriculoventricular aperture आहे, septum आहे, त्या सहाय्याने इथं इथे. This is the circulatory system in frog. Frog. This is three chamber heart. Then another aspect is the metamorphosis. What is metamorphosis? This is not included in your syllabus, but you know what is metamorphosis. Newly hatched tadpole live off elk stored in their bodies. They gradually grow larger and develop three pairs of gill. The tadpole have two chambers heart. Tadpoles can also regenerate injured or lost body part such as leg or tail. टॅडपोल मीन्स काय की यंग जो फ्रॉग आपण म्हणतो यंग स्टेज मधला, दॅट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज टॅडपोल. आणि हे पूर्ण याच्यामध्ये असते, लिव्हिंग कशामध्ये, पाण्यामध्ये, फिश सारखा असतो. टू चंबर हार्ट आहे ते, आणि त्याला जे काही इंजुरीनं जे काही लेग किंवा टेल त्याचं गेलेलं असेल तर ते लॉट बॉडी पार्ट सच एज लेग और टेल ते रिजनरेट तो पुन्हा करू शकतो, पुन्हा त्याला लेग ग्रो फ्रॉम द बॉडी अँड टेल डिसअपियर. The mouth broader, developing teeth and jaw. Mouth म्हणजे this is spawn. These here, these three steps you can see that the tadpoles. These four steps in the tadpole. Adult, that is the frog. And they say that the metamorphism, the cell of the tadpoles are the genetically programmed to the respond to the heroxine. This process also called as tadpole. Thank you.